A treated fence like this will last a long time, but being out in the weather, it does require a little bit of maintenance. Joe's having to put a few screws in some of the loose boards. Here's the screws you needed, Joe.
Great, thanks, Danny. Yeah, in a case like this, the pressure-treated wood has a tendency to cup a little bit, and when it's just nailed in, as you can see, these were originally nailed in, the nails will just pull right through.
Yeah, that starts looking bad, and also some of the boards will literally fall right off the fence itself.
Right, and part of the problem is when the boards are been out in the sun as long as these have, they get really brittle, almost like petrified wood.
Yeah,
so
and hard, pretty hard to put the screws in.
Yeah. So you notice I pre-drill them with a pilot bit first before I drive in the screw. Now that'll keep the boards from splitting,
okay,
but it doesn't really help you drive the screws in any easier. But here's the trick that I'll show you that works great. So we're just using galvanized decking screws,
okay,
and grab a bar of paraffin wax, which you can pick up in any hardware store, or even supermarkets carry it now.
Now I've seen this actually soap being used for the same thing.
Soap works just as well. It makes it go in really easily, but the problem with soap is it contains water. Hold that for me for a second. It contains water and it can rust the screw.
Oh, okay.
So wax is much better, especially when it's warm like that one.
Yeah, it sounds like it.
And then you just put it in. If you watch, this will actually pull that board right in to the 2x4 rail on the other side. And because we're drilling really close, screwing really close to the edge, if you didn't have that hole, it would definitely split.
And with using screws and them being galvanized, using the wax, it really will last a long time. You won't have to worry about doing this again, huh?
Well, the next homeowner has to worry about that one.
There you go.